What's up, Iconic fam? JB here with Iconic Mods, and today we finding out why the Extreme Aura RGB RAM by OCPC is my new go-to for the best looking RGB RAM kits out there on the market. Now, if it's your first time rocking with me on the channel, just know that I make product review, case mod, and custom build videos. And if that's something that you're into, make sure you hit that subscribe button and bang that bell so you don't miss any future content I got coming up on the channel. The OCPC, or Overclock PC Gaming, is a US-based memory and storage solution company that started back in 2007, exclusively distributed here in the US by VISIONTEK. They've recently jumped onto the RGB bandwagon, and I feel they're quickly going to establish themselves as a top-notch competitor for, in my personal opinion, companies like Corsair and G-Skill. And the reason I say this is because out of the box, it hit its intended rated speed, which is 3000 megahertz, no problems at all on XMP profile. In addition to that, it overclocks like a champ. To put the cherry on top, the RAM is also ASUS Aura Sync compatible, which means you can use your Aura software to control the lighting on the actual RAM kits. And it's literally, in my personal opinion, outshining, pun intended, the competitors as it's quickly bogarting its way into becoming my #1 go-to RGB RAM kit. The lighting is phenomenal. As much as I can talk about this, it's probably better if I just show you. So let's see how well it works with the ASUS Aura effects, and I'm gonna catch you guys in the next one. Peace.